This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Hollingsworth Richards Ford is located at 7787 Florida Boulevard in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. And as always, remember, at Hollingsworth Richards, we're making deals every day.